Hey, what's up, Metajake? Peeking out the window. It's been a rainy fucking day, and I love rainy fucking days because it allows me to be productive without feeling like I'm wasting my time. Alright, got a bunch of shit on the menu for today. First and foremost, I'm working on the biology of memetics. It's just been really interesting. Memetics has been mostly, sociology and a chance for people to talk about ideas without having them mean a fucking thing. So grounding it in biology, actual science, reality, is going to be key. I'm amazed searching around, there's really just not that much on it. Now, Lewis Mackey asked me a couple days ago to add up the reach of all the sites that we do, and it kind of surprised me. Any given week, whether we post shit or not on the sites, we're reaching 10,000 unique people on all the sites put together per week, individuals. I'd really like to put you guys on that. I think the Triple Dose needs to be more involved with that, needs to be more closely aligned with that, integrated into all the shit that we're doing, because you guys do really good fucking work and you need to get more visibility, more contracts. On the design tip, I got 3 things. This right here is a book called The Works. It's kind of shitty overall. It reminded me of David McCullough. I don't know if you ever read his shit. He did Pyramid, Castle, Cathedral, Underground, all these dope black and white illustration books about the way things work. So like, this is the electrical grid, nice flow chart. This right here is an example of how the streets are working around Queens Boulevard, different types of designs that they've done. I like this grid system here, I like the perspective here. And then this puppy, this is cool. This is how the mail gets around. Great fucking detailed diagrammatic flow chart. The whole book is full of great shit like this, but overall it's a little bit flimsy. I would like to see a lot more meat. I mean, as you can see flipping through it, they're big on they're big on white space. They like their fucking zones. Alright, now this, world changing. I was turning Heaney onto this. This is a fucking amazing book. Extremely important. Jam-packed, full of shit that is actually useful, solutions more than problems, ahead of its time, and definitely an inspiration for this Africa project that I'm working on. I've also been talking with Chuck a lot about productivity. I believe I sent you that Zen Habits article about working less to get more done. I have a fucking hard time applying that in my day-to-day life because I like to obsess. I like to sit down and do too much. I'm definitely doing that today, and I shouldn't. But here we go. So the biggest point I want to drive home with this installation, synergy. I think that we've got Heaney motivated, activated again, which is good. He's checking in way more often. The World Around Records dudes, they're just being themselves, as always. But the core that I see, fucking you, me, Chuck, Heaney, Gomar, some serious cats. I think we have the potential to be competing with the agencies that we're reading about, seeing doing well, getting big contracts. It's just a matter of bluffing on a really professional level, and I think that we have the skills and the talent to back that shit up. Just a matter of organizing it, solid projects, and turning them out. I know you guys are busy as fuck, so I definitely don't want to be imposing on your time, but I would like to be thinking in the future, because I'm definitely thinking in the present, about how to integrate everything. That's why I'm focusing on Brainsturbator now. I want to get a better sense of how to have a single flagship, a single site that's really the focus for everything else. Everything else has got to be feeding into that. Because it's almost 2009 and we got to make some fucking money. Peace.